And here's I'll show you how to match color in Photoshop. First of all, I'm selecting my subject layer and going to select, clicking on subject. Once my subject is selected, I'm clicking on this mask icon. And then press Ctrl T and you can resize and adjust your subject size just like this. Once you're happy, press enter. And now it's time to match the subject with this background color. To do that, click on this icon and here select curves. Now click on this icon and then double click on this curves icon. Click on this icon, select auto options and here select fine dark and light colors and then click on shadow, and from your background you have to select the darkest color and click on OK. Then click on highlights and now from your background you have to select the most brighten color and then click on OK and click on mid tones and select a mid tones color from your background and OK. Click on OK. Yes. And here we can see the before and after result. Now click on this icon again. This time click on color lookup. Click on this 3D load file and here I'm selecting crisp warm and we can see I've successfully matched my background and subject color.